Welcome. In this video I will make a quick photo mode tutorial for DJI Osmo Pocket 4. First of all, to switch to the photo mode in our camera, we have to go to the mode selection menu in the top left corner of the screen. Here you have to select photo, and once the photo is selected, let's get to know the settings here. So the layout here is pretty much the same as in the video recording mode. But we have few differences. For example, we don't have the face tracking icon in the top right corner of the screen, but here in the middle we have the live photo toggle instead of recording smart features. In the top left corner we have the amount of storage left for our photos. In the top right corner we have the current battery level. Here in the middle we still have the zoom and tilt toggle, so we choose what we want our joystick to do. If you see two triangles like this, that means that your joystick is controlling the tilt of your device's camera, and if it switches to plus minus sign, this means that your joystick is right now controlling the zoom level. Here we have the mirror camera toggle in the bottom right corner. If you swipe from the bottom to the top, you'll be able to adjust your photo. So on top we have two choices for photo resolution, so you can use standard photo resolution with 8 megapixel lens and super photo resolution with 33 megapixel. At the bottom we have the aspect ratio, and as you can see we have two available aspect ratios. Also we have the countdown timer in the top left corner of the screen, where we can choose the amount of seconds we want to pass before the photo is taken. Swiping from the right side will open Pro options here for our camera, and we can disable them by tapping the Pro icon or enable them and then adjust the exposure, the WB format and focus mode. Now swiping from the left will open our device's media panel, and swiping from the top to the bottom will open quick settings menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.